Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your laptop. To do that, select the Start button, then go to Power Options, expand them, and select Restart or Update and Restart if there are any updates pending on your PC. Now, if you cannot access this menu, you can force restart your laptop, and to do that, simply press and hold the power button until the light on the power button goes off. Usually it takes up to 15 seconds of holding the button. And then you'll have to short press the power key again to turn your laptop on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.